Hey everyone, so today I am going to fix what I did wrong. I was trying to YouTube a video of me installing these wall hooks and instead I just made holes on the wall. So I've got to fix this before my husband gets home. And he starts nagging me about doing this and then I start arguing with him about why he doesn't do it. And it just kind of never ends. So I am clearly not a DIYer. But my gosh, I do try my best. So hopefully I can kind of fill in these holes and fix the problem a little. So like I said in my last video, we moved into this new house in Florida. Ugh! And I hate it because we learned the hard way that brand new builds have to have everything pretty much either purchased when they're being built or they come in like the standard everyday stuff, which wouldn't be so bad if they had like basics like towel racks and toilet paper holders, which they don't. So of course I'm having to purchase stuff and install it myself because if I ask my husband to do it, it will never get done. And if it does get done, it'll be probably a year from now based on his work schedule, or he'll just whine and complain about having to do it in the first place. So I am going to install it over here now because I found out the hard way that there's some kind of something there that is not making it work. And honestly, I just want to get it up and working. We are hoping that we will move out of this place. I am hoping that I will be able to move out of this place soon and I don't want to leave Florida just yet because I know there's a lot of stuff to do and see once COVID is gone. But I'm not a fan of a lot of things compared to California. And I do want to go home someday, so with that said, okay, I'm just trying to get sort of the basics in this house. And hopefully we will be able to rent it out or sell it. And I can go back hopefully to California, or I can move to another house, which is maybe a smidge. I wanted to downsize really badly. And I told my husband, I really, really, really want to move into a tiny house that I can clean really easily. But I'm learning the hard way that a tiny house, when you come from a huge house, is not a good thing because it's hard to part with everything, number one. And number two, it's so small for our family that it's more stress than anything else. Okay, so it looks like this is all going to go perfect. I am putting my wall anchors in. Push them in. Okay, I think it's gonna work, everybody. I think it's gonna work. Okay, that is awesome. I am going to get the nails and I'm going to put these. So I got these at Target and I have a larger one in the other bathroom and it works great. And the only reason why I decided to go smaller is because I'm hoping this will discourage my children from using my shower because there's no bathtub here and the mess that they make with the water is crazy. Even as an adult, taking a shower here is hard because it kind of just spills out. So I'm hoping by putting a small little hook here that I'll be able to cut the use of it just myself and my husband, and hopefully decrease any damage that we can do with water. So like I said, it's a brand new build and it doesn't come with all the perks that regular houses come with that would make my life so much easier from not having to worry about it or installing it myself. And I can't even imagine the cost of having a handyman do it, because as I'm learning, handymans are expensive. So, and I did it. I installed it. So there it is. I installed hooks. Hopefully this will dry out. Ugh, not look so bad, and my husband won't complain too much. So a hook from Target, and it has been installed.